Okay, now we're going to use some floral tape to create the rose, the look of the rose. Okay, I'm going to show you the secret to floral tape for those of you who have never used it before. So if you notice on floral tape, you'll notice all these little wrinkles. Okay, when they make floral tape, what it is a wax dipped paper. Okay, and the wax is a sticky, tacky wax, and this is actual floral tape they use on real flowers. So it comes pre-shrunk like this, and what you need to do is to activate the wax, you have to stretch the tape. Okay, so you'll see it when we pull it out here. You'll see the lines there, and we can stretch them. Okay, and that actually activates the wax that's on there and makes it tacky. So as we're wrapping this, as you would wrap with any floral material, you want to pull the tape a little bit. And what that's going to do is it's going to stretch out that wax that's in there, and it's going to create a barrier, and it's also going to stick to itself. And then as the wax cools down, it creates a shell, like a candy shell around it, making the tape all one piece. And so you're going to create a really nice, solid block of green. So this is, we could paint this just as well as we could tape it up, but the tape is actually going to give us a more realistic look. And this is that whole working smarter, not harder thing. Somebody, some years ago, decided that they wanted to create a tape to allow us to like bind together different kinds of plants. And so they went to a factory and they said, I need this to be the color of stems, particularly rose stems. And so they spent a lot of money and research to find this great way to dip this tape in wax, get it to be nice and activated, and it is the perfect color. Why struggle bus with painting and all that fun stuff when we can just use a product that was developed specifically to make ultra realistic looking plant stems? I'm like, well, and then they don't just make green, they make brown. They also make whites and blacks and all these other colors. Now I can accent this with paint. Also trying to paint brass is a pain in the butt. It doesn't want to take paint all that well. But yeah, so this is definitely the working smarter, not harder. Now,